let's make a boomerang. That's fun. So let's get right into it. This is 1/4 of an inch thick. I used a couple veneers to add some color to it. So on the outside, I'm just going to have a very slight camber to the front of this wing. I'm going to sand this on a 4-inch benchtop belt sander. This is 4 1/4 inches. (11/16). We're 1 11/16 on this side also. Across the center, we are 3 1/8 of an inch from end to end, like this, where it tapers. We got to taper the leading edge and trailing edge of these to make it an airfoil shape, just like you would find on an airplane. So this colored side, this is a right-handed boomerang, and you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to throw it like this. So this will be a leading edge, and as this rotates into the wind, this is a leading edge. So we have to put our tapers on the back sides. And this will be the trailing edge on this one. Take some of that off. Actually, I'm only going to probably take off just a little bit of this layer here. Somewhere right in there. I'll be grinding down this. So when you throw it, this is the trailing edge. It rotates over, and this is your trailing edge. I'm going to go round these off, taper these, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did was I basically put a 45 degree on this, which is the leading edge. So when you throw it, there's the trailing edge, I've got to put that same 45 degree that I put on this edge on this leading edge. So I'm going to do that next, but you can see that I've put my relief angle on the back, and now I'm going to round this one over, and then I'm going to flatten this edge off just the same way I did this one. Trailing edge, tapered. The leading edge is basically kind of a 45. I just held it at 45 degrees on both sides and then just kind of rounded it over as best I could. Obviously this is going to be hand sanded and then finished with some type of a hard surface to help protect these edges, because this could hit trees and who knows what. But so there's the trailing edge, leading edges. I just kind of rounded around the front. You can see this right here. I'm probably gonna just fill that in and sand it off flat. That's part of my gluing my veneers on. So there's the Boomerang. Let's do a little hand sanding on this dude, and then we'll coat it. And my Boomerang's maiden flight landed in that kudzu patch. And that is where it's gonna stay. And the moral of this story is, take it to a bigger field.